Hey everyone, need to reset GIMP preferences back to their default settings. In this video, I'll show you how to reset GIMP preferences step by step. Yeah, this can help fix problems caused by incorrect settings, interface issues, or unexpected behavior inside the program. First, close GIMP completely if it's currently running. Make sure the application is fully closed before making any changes to its settings files. Next, locate the GIMP user profile or configuration folder on your computer. This folder stores your preferences, custom settings, shortcuts, and other personal configurations. Before making changes, create a backup of the folder by copying it to another location. This gives you a way to restore your settings later if needed. Once the backup is complete, rename the GIMP configuration folder or move it to a different location. Do not delete it immediately if you might want to recover your settings later. Now launch GIMP again. Since the original configuration folder is no longer available, GIMP will automatically create a new folder with fresh default settings. After GIMP opens, check whether the issue has been resolved. Resetting preferences can often fix problems related to tool settings, interface layouts, startup errors, and other unexpected behavior. If everything is working correctly, you can continue using the new settings. If necessary, you can copy specific files from your backup folder to restore certain customizations. And that's how you reset GIMP preferences. Returning to the default configuration is a simple but effective way to troubleshoot many common GIMP issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.